Hello, beauties. Welcome back to our channel, Beauty Tips. Today we have something special for you, nighttime beauty tips and hacks that will leave you waking up with radiant, glowing skin. So, grab your favorite skincare products and let's dive in. We all know how important a good night's sleep is, but did you know that it's also a crucial time for your skin to rejuvenate and heal? Let's make the most of those precious nighttime hours to enhance our beauty naturally. Step 1. The cleansing ritual. Gently remove the makeup and impurities from your face, allowing your skin to breathe. Use a mild cleanser to wash away the stress of the day, leaving your canvas clean for the night ahead. Next up, hydration is key. Apply a nourishing night cream or serum. This will not only replenish lost moisture, but also work wonders while you sleep, promoting a healthy, supple complexion. Now, let's talk about beauty sleep. Invest in a good pillowcase and get those Z's. Elevate your head to reduce puffiness and encourage better blood circulation. Trust me, your skin will thank you in the morning. And now, let's get creative with some DIY beauty hacks. Try a soothing overnight mask with ingredients like honey and aloe vera. These natural wonders will pamper your skin, leaving it refreshed and revitalized. The windows to our soul deserve some extra attention. Don't forget your eye care. Apply a hydrating eye cream or try a cooling eye mask to reduce puffiness and diminish those late-night tired eyes. You'll wake up looking as if you've had a full 8 hours of beauty sleep. Beauty isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's also about what you put in your body. Make sure to stay hydrated by sipping on water throughout the evening. Consider snacking on skin-loving treats like almonds or berries, packed with antioxidants to boost your skin's natural glow. Our beauty routine doesn't stop at our faces. Pamper your locks with some overnight hair care. Apply a nourishing hair mask or a few drops of your favorite hair oil. Your morning mane will thank you for the extra TLC. For an extra beauty boost, consider incorporating supplements into your nighttime routine. Collagen, biotin, and other vitamins can work wonders for your hair, skin, and nails. Consult with a healthcare professional to find the right supplements for you. Now, let's not forget about our hardworking hands. They deserve some love too. Before you hit the hay, indulge in a luxurious hand care routine. Apply a rich hand cream or opt for moisturizing gloves to give your hands the hydration they need overnight. For those dreamy, Instagram-worthy nails, don't skip cuticle care. Massage a nourishing cuticle oil into your nails before bedtime. This not only keeps your cuticles healthy, but also promotes stronger, more beautiful nails. Take your hand care to the next level with an overnight hand mask. Create a DIY concoction using ingredients like honey, almond oil, and aloe vera. Apply generously, slip on some soft gloves, and let the mask work its magic while you catch those beauty Z's. Hands can be a telltale sign of aging, so let's combat that. Invest in an anti-aging hand cream containing ingredients like retinol or vitamin C. Applying this before bedtime can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and age spots, leaving your hands looking youthful and radiant. For an extra refreshing touch, pop your eye masks in the fridge before using them. The cool sensation not only soothes tired eyes but also helps to reduce any puffiness, leaving you looking and feeling revitalized. Incorporate a short yoga or stretching routine into your nighttime ritual. This not only helps to relax your body, but also promotes better circulation, ensuring your skin receives the nutrients it needs for that morning glow. Wind down with a cup of soothing herbal tea. Opt for varieties like chamomile or peppermint, known for their calming properties. This warm, comforting beverage will not only relax your mind but also contribute to better digestion and skin health. End your day on a positive note by incorporating some affirmations into your nighttime routine. Speak words of kindness and affirmation to yourself. Positive thoughts can have a powerful impact on your overall well-being, reflecting in the way you carry yourself and your skin's natural radiance. There you have it. Beauty's your nighttime beauty routine to wake up feeling refreshed and looking radiant. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep. It's about self-care and embracing the skin you're in. If you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your favorite knee.